Hello, Year 7. Welcome back. Today, we are looking at adding decimals together. Now, the way we're going to do this is we're first going to learn how we can estimate adding decimals so we can get an approximation of what our answer should be close to. And then we're going to learn how we can do written techniques to add decimals up. Okay? So here we have an example. We're going to estimate and then we're going to calculate. We've got 4.83 plus 27.659 plus 0.007. Okay, so let's estimate it first. What we're going to do is we're going to round each of these decimals to the nearest whole number, and we're going to see roughly where we should end up. So this is our estimate. It's going to be roughly 4.87. That rounds closely to 5. Okay, 27.659. We're going to round that up to 28. And then 0.007, well, we're just going to round that to 0. So our answer should be something close to 33. Okay, that's what I'm expecting when I do my calculation for this example. Okay, let's see how we go. So the way that we actually do written calculations of decimals exactly is very similar to how we would do normal addition. We just need to include the place values after the decimal point in our addition. So I'm going to write the numbers out. It's going to be 4.83. Okay, and then we just need to make sure that we get the place values in the right place. So the next number is going to be 27.659. Now this one has 3 decimal places. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a 0 here just to show so that they have an even amount of place values. And we don't have any thousandths in that first number, but that doesn't change the number at all. We're just sort of making sure we're lining up our place values. Okay, we're adding these together so we can write a plus. And then we're also going to add 0.07. So it's going to be 0 point. Make sure the decimal point is underneath each other, and then it's going to be 0.007 as such. So we're also going to be adding that. Okay, and then the same rules are going to apply as we did with our adding in the first term. Okay, it's just that we now have this decimal point in the middle of the number. But we're just going to go add up the first column on the right there, our thousandths. We're going to carry any numbers over to our hundredths, and then carry any numbers over if we need to our tenths, and then carry any numbers over to our units, and so on. Okay, and that's how we're going to do our adding up. So our first column here in our thousandths, we've got 0 plus 9 plus 7, which equals 16. So what we're going to do, we're going to write a 6 here, and we're going to carry a 1 over. We're going to add an extra 1 to our number. So it's going to be 1 plus 3, which is 4, plus 9 plus 0, which equals 9. Sorry, 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, and then we don't need to carry any numbers over this time. And then now we have 8 plus 6 plus 0, which is 14. So we write the 4 and we carry the 1. And then underneath here, we need to write our decimal point in. Okay, it's just underneath, everything is on top of each other in this example. So now we have 1 plus 4, which is 5, plus 7, which is 12. So we write a 2 and then carry the 1, and then it's just 1 plus 2, which is 3. And we have our number here, 32.496. Now it's pretty close to 33, so we know we're in the right ballpark here. So that's how we go about adding decimals. Just make sure you've got all the place values on top of each other, the decimal point in the same place. And if you're missing place values in your decimals after, you can just add zeros in there to make it a little neater. Okay. Good luck with the questions today. I'll see you in the next video.